Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm so excited right now to put my brows on with the LA Colors Browie Wowie Brow Pomade. Ooh, the Stay Put formula. I'm so intrigued by this. I got this in the shade Soft Brown from Family Dollar for only $3. For a brow pomade, that seems like an amazing deal. And it comes with this brush spoolie, which actually looks awesome. Oh my gosh, this is actually really nice packaging too. It has frosted glass. Wow. So I'm not a big brow pomade person, but when I've used brow pomades, I have really enjoyed them. And I am super picky with filling in my brows, and I love to fill in my brows. So I don't really know why I don't use brow pomades more often, but maybe this will change that for me. So first, I'm going to take the spoolie side and just brush through my brows. And then, in my experience, the trick with a brow pomade is to take the tiniest little bit. Like, I'm seriously just gently touching the brush into the pomade, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to pretty much, oh my gosh, yeah, just that tiny bit shows up a lot. But so I'm going to just start out by kind of lining and shaping the brow. It does go on initially pretty dark of a brown for the soft brown shade. But now I'm just going to try and blend that through. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm seriously just tapping the brush in, and it picks up a lot of product. Or it's not actually picking up a lot of product, it just a little goes a long way with this. So you can pretty much blend this completely through the brow, and I feel like I barely picked up anything. So it does kind of feel just like painting in my brow, but it is kind of coating the brow hairs the way a brow pencil does not do. And I like when the brow hairs are more noticeable, slightly darkened, like with a brow gel. I usually do a brow pencil and then a brow gel. And this is kind of giving me a 2-in-1 because of how it is emphasizing the brow hairs, but I'm also able to fill in the brows and shape them. And I am just so shocked by how little product I needed to fully fill in my brow. Wow, I like how that looks though. I'm going to flip it over, just brush through with the spoolie, and that does kind of tone it down even more from that dark color, but it doesn't look heavy or thick in the brows. It's still somehow looking natural. I think I just need a little bit more to shape out the tail of the brow here. But it's hard for me to get those kind of like hair-like lines with this formula since it does go on kind of heavy once you touch it onto the brow. So I feel like I need to blend it through, smooth it out. But I like this finished look a lot. And you can also diffuse it and make it lighter towards the center, which is what I really like, kind of like an ombre effect. And it's super precise. Okay, that looks so good. I really think this is just as good as the high-end brow pomades that I have tried. Now this was a hold formula, and it actually has hold to it. I have long brow hairs, and they are actually staying in place. Oh my gosh, this is seriously an all-in-one brow product. Like, look at this brow versus without it. It still looks so natural, but it enhances the face so much. Okay, we gotta get that other brow on so I can look back to normal. But seriously, like, this little $3 product is going to be able to last me so long. And I love this brush. It is easy to blend though. If you did pick up too much product, luckily it's a nice creamy formula that blends out smooth and nice. So I like this technique of what I just did is shape the bottom of the brow and just blend upwards. And it fills in the brow, makes it so that you're not using too much product, but then it still looks natural, it has the great shape. Just shape out the arch a little bit. I really don't know why I don't use brow pomades more often, because this is actually going to save me time, money, products, because I don't have to go in with a brow gel after this. And so here are my finished brows, and like I was saying, I'm so picky in particular, but I love how this looks. And so I love the brand LA Colors. I have tried out hundreds of LA Colors products, and this is seriously now one of my favorites I have ever tried. The Browie Wowie Brow Pomade is incredible. $3 is amazing, and the brush that it comes with, I'm just so happy and so excited about this. This is truly like a treasure find product that I highly recommend, especially if you love brow pomades. I really think you would like this, or if you've never even tried a brow pomade before, this is great to try. That's what I really love about LA Colors, is that they make these makeup trends so accessible to everybody with amazing formulas, easy to use. So if you have already tried this though, please let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.